Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this Wednesday what we're going to be doing, we're going to be having chili. What we're going to need, some burger, about 2 pounds, it's just a little bit over 2 pounds. Some salt, some garlic, some ground cumin, chili powder, black pepper, a little bit of cocoa. Before you start freaking out, just a little bit of cocoa. You won't be able to taste the chocolate, I promise you. Mushrooms, butter beans, 2 cans of those we've got. Now the beans, when it comes to them, whatever beans you prefer, folks. Make this yours. Here's some pinto beans, Carolyn's canned. Some dark kidney beans, navy beans, a quart of tomato juice, a quart of crushed tomatoes, and also we need some sugar. And here's our onions. Now what we'll do, we'll start off first. We'll pour a little bit of oil in the pan, the pot you're going to be making your chili in. We'll start Folks, what he's trying to say is we're going to brown the ground beef. Alrighty. Pour a little bit of oil down in there. Now we'll get our onions and put them down in. Now if you don't like onions, don't put onions or don't put as many. Like I said folks, just make this yours. Now, I'm coming. I just have to get a spoon here. Alrighty, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of garlic. That there to cooking, and we'll add our ground beef in just a minute. Alright, we're getting ready to add our ground beef. We've cooked these about 5 minutes. The garlic and the onion together. Get a little brownness down there. That's more flavor. Alrighty. Now, we'll brown this and we'll be back in just a minute. Alrighty folks, now we're going to put in our mushrooms. I drained the mushrooms first. Now, let's continue browning the ground beef. Alrighty folks, it's almost done browning. Now I forgot to tell you all this. Add 1 cup of beef broth to it. Go ahead and finish browning your burger, cooking it up. We'll add the rest here in just a few minutes. Alrighty folks, now we're going to put in our quart of tomato juice. And a quart of crushed tomatoes. And then we'll season this up before we put the beans in there. That way we won't bust the beans up. Alrighty. Now we're going to put in a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Alright. Now, 1 teaspoon of cumin. We'll fix the recipe in the description, folks, for you. Now, a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon cocoa powder. Trust me folks, you won't taste it, it'll just help with the flavor. Now let me go back and just double check everything here. Yep, I got all my spices in there. Now let's give it a stir. Now folks, if you want this a little bit spicier, add you another tablespoon of chili powder. We did add just a little bit more salt, but if you want it more seasoned, put you another thing of chili powder. Alright, we'll add our beans. And this is entirely up to you folks. We leave the juice in there. We really like them butter beans. Like I said, this will be a meal you can eat on for several days. And let's give it a stir up here. Alrighty, now we're going to let it cook here for a little bit, and then we'll taste it, see if we need to add anything to it. If we do, we'll let you know. Alrighty folks, here's our chili. Carolyn put a little bit of sour cream on top. There's her cornbread. Got her some crackers. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. And folks, this Friday, we're going to be doing a collaboration with Moss Family TV with Fallon, Fall Food Friday. Everybody come over and take a look at it. Hope y'all have a great day. We'll be seeing you soon. Bye. That's all, folks.